Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change the passcode lock in line. Now let us begin. Initially, all you guys have to do is just go to settings. At the top right, you can see a gear-like icon right here. Click on it right now. Once you do that, you will be redirected to the settings page. Well, do note that there are lots of options, but right now all you guys need to do is focus on this thing right here called as privacy. It is under the personal info tab. Click on it right now. Now the very first thing you're gonna see is the passcode lock. Do note that you can simply disable it by clicking on this button right here. But right now what you need to do is focus on this thing called as change passcode. Click on it right now. Now what you need to do is simply enter your current passcode. I'm gonna enter it right now. Once you've entered your passcode, the process is the same. Simply enter the new passcode right now and just confirm it. As you guys can see, I am doing it right now. And guys, that is it. As you can see, the passcode has been changed. Well guys, that is it. That's how we change the passcode in line. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.